In this video, I'll guide you through how to filter data in Libreoffice Calc. Filtering data is a powerful tool that allows you to view only the information you need while temporarily hiding the rest. This can be particularly useful when working with large data sets. Let's dive in and simplify the process. First, you'll need to open the LibreOffice application on your computer. Once it's up and running, click on the Calc spreadsheet to start a new document or open an existing one. If you're starting from scratch, go ahead and enter the data you want to work with into the spreadsheet. Make sure your data is well organized with each column having a header, as this will help immensely when applying filters. Next, you'll want to highlight the column that you intend to filter. To do this, click on the letter at the top of the column. This will select the entire column, making it ready for the next steps. Highlighting the column is crucial because it tells LibreOffice Calc where you want to apply the filter. Now, look towards the top of your screen and find the data option in the menu. Click on it to reveal a drop-down list of options. Among these options, you'll see Autofilter. Click on Autofilter and you'll notice a small arrow or drop-down button appears next to each header in your selected column. When you see a prompt, simply click Yes to proceed. This step activates the filter feature, allowing you to customize the view of your data. Now, click on the drop-down arrow on the cell of the column header. This action will open a menu with various filtering options. One of the great features of LibreOffice Calc is the ability to filter by color, condition, or specific values. For instance, if you want to filter by color, perhaps to see only the rows where a certain cell is highlighted, you can do this easily. Similarly, you can apply conditional filters, such as viewing only data that meets certain criteria, like numbers greater than a specific value. In addition to preset conditions, you can also search for specific items within your column. This is particularly useful if you're looking for something specific and want to narrow down your view quickly. Simply type what you're looking for in the search bar within the filter menu and your results will appear immediately. Once you've chosen your filtering options, click OK to apply the filter. You'll notice that your spreadsheet view changes, showing only the rows that meet the criteria you've set. The rest of the data remains hidden but can be easily retrieved by clearing the filter whenever you need to return to the full data set. And there you have it. You've successfully filtered data in LibreOffice Calc, making it easier to work with and analyze your information. Filtering is an efficient way to handle large amounts of data without getting overwhelmed. Remember, you can always adjust or remove filters as your needs change. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and that you're now more confident in managing data with LibreOffice Calc. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Happy filtering!